Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra was supposed to meet expectations, but in the end, it left many users with a sense of disappointment. Softer corners, a different design language, and minimal upgrades compared to previous models. Moreover, the removal of Bluetooth functionality from the S Pen was not well received either. Now, all attention is focused on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The first leaks have surfaced, and they show that this time, Samsung is preparing for serious changes. In this video, I will share with you all the key information that has emerged about the Galaxy S26 Ultra, display technology, camera systems, battery, processor, and of course, the release date and estimated price. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Let's get started. The S26 Ultra will feature slimmer bezels and higher brightness. Samsung is implementing color-on encapsulation technology in this model. Thanks to this technology, the panel will be both more energy efficient and capable of reaching brightness levels above 3000 nits. Since under-display camera technology is not yet sufficiently developed, the punch-hole camera will be retained. However, the overall appearance will be more premium and balanced. Galaxy S26 Ultra will be powered by Qualcomm's next-generation flagship processor, Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. Although the new chipset remains on a 3nm architecture, it promises up to a 41% increase in CPU performance. This is a real leap in mobile performance and will surpass competitors in artificial intelligence, gaming, and multitasking. Samsung is finally making a major change in battery technology after many years. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a new generation battery using silicon-carbon technology. This allows for more capacity with less physical size. Expectations suggest the capacity could be 5500 mAh or even 6000 mAh. Additionally, fast charging, which has remained at 45 watts for years, will now be increased to 65 watts. This means longer usage time and faster power recovery. The removal of Bluetooth functionality from the S Pen in the S25 Ultra caused dissatisfaction among users. According to Samsung's statement, very few people used this feature, but in reality, this step aimed to reduce costs. Leaks indicate that Samsung might reconsider this decision, but for now, the return of Bluetooth remains uncertain. The S25 Ultra had two separate telephoto lenses, 50-megapixel 5x and 10-megapixel 3x. But the S26 Ultra may simplify this system and move to a single 200-megapixel telephoto lens. This lens will offer 4x optical zoom and is likely to deliver a more flexible and unified camera experience. This approach has already been tested by brands like Vivo and Xiaomi, and the results have been positive. The biggest innovation, however, is in the main camera. The variable aperture system is making a comeback. This feature was first used in the Galaxy S9. Now, the technology will allow for a more adjustable range and more flexible photo shooting. This means excellent results, especially in low light conditions. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to be unveiled in the first quarter of 2026. The estimated starting price will be $1299. Before that, Samsung had already introduced the Galaxy S25 Edge model, one of the slimmest and most technologically innovative smartphones in the company's history. Galaxy S26 Ultra could be Samsung's boldest flagship model in recent years. From battery to processor, from camera to design, major changes are planned. If you also enjoy following the future of technology, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video to stay updated with more content like this. See you in the next video.